Hi, my name is Eylene Pirez and I'm an astrophysicist, and this is an explanation of odd and irregular shapes of asteroids. So asteroids come in all sorts of sizes and shapes. An asteroid is a piece of rock in space, generally pretty large in size, maybe over 40 kilometers. That's generally the smallest asteroid we get. If they're smaller than 40 kilometers, they're considered a meteor. So let's talk about their shape. So what makes something round in space? Generally is the struggle to find equilibrium. So if you have a lump of mass, the most equilibrium you can find is when you're symmetrical. And the most symmetrical object you can shape yourself into is a sphere. So then they become a sphere. So what happens to the odd and irregular shaped ones? Why are some so round and why are some so oddly shaped? And the question here is mass. If you're very massive, you have a lot of gravity and you have a lot of energy. And you can use that energy to deform the rock and shape yourself into a sphere. If you don't have enough mass, deforming rock takes a lot of energy. So if you don't have enough mass and you don't have that energy to deform the rock, then you're going to stay oddly shaped. So what happens is, like, generally, if they're smaller than 100 kilometers across, the bigger ones that are bigger than 100 kilometers turn into a sphere. And when they're less than 100 kilometers across, they become more oddly shaped. And that's an explanation of the odd and irregular shapes that asteroids have. My name is Eylene Pirez, and I'm an astrophysicist.